Students, now we are in the chapter quadratic equations. In yesterday class, I said that exercise 3b sums and concept everything completed. Today concept, let us going to discuss about quadratic inequations. Quadratic inequations. The equations, the expressions whenever is equal to 0 symbol is there, then you should not say the word as expression. The equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, ax square plus bx plus c greater than or equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c greater than or equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, comma ax square plus bx plus c less than or equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 are called as quadratic inequations. Quadratic inequations. There are two methods to solve the quadratic inequations. There are two methods to solve quadratic inequations. First one, algebraic method. And the second one, graphical method. First one, algebraic method, and the second one, graphical method. Let us going to discuss an example, page number 85. Solve x square minus 10x plus 21 less than 0. Example 1, page 87, page 85, x square minus 10x plus 21 less than 0. Solve x square minus 10x plus 21 less than 0. Next, first of all, let us going to discuss about algebraic method. Algebraic method is that depends upon the factors of the splitting middle term or factor a q factorization factor 10 and 7 3 are 20. Use the concept 7x minus 3x plus 21 less than 0. That implies x taken common, x minus 7 minus 3 taken common, x minus 7 less than 0. That implies x minus 3 into x minus 7 less than 0. Therefore, we can write that whenever the formula x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0, then formula x belongs to alpha comma beta 3 comma 7. Or you can say that 3 less than x less than 7. So the value should lie between 3 and 7 for the quadratic equation. Now let us draw graphical method. graphical method depends upon the factors of the 20, 21, 7 3 are 21 concept. Use the 7 3 are 21 and take left side of 3 and right side of 7 and draw the graph of the given function. Here put here x. This is y is equal to x square minus 10x plus 21 or x minus 3 into x minus 7. The value should lie between 3 less than x less than 7. So take any value 2, 3 like that you can write. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whenever you substitute 2, here better to try to understand this one. 2 minus 3 into 2 minus 7. 2 minus 3 means minus 1, 2 minus 7 means minus 5. Minus 1 into minus 5 becomes plus 5. Otherwise, if you put here 4, 21, 21, 4, 25, 25 minus 25, 3 square minus same model, maybe the answer is 0 because 3 minus 3 becomes 0. At last, this one also 0. Now 4 you substitute 4 minus 3 into 4 minus 7. 4 minus 3 value 1, 4 minus 7 value minus 1, minus 3. So minus 3. 5 minus 3 into 5 minus 7 minus 2. So this is minus 4. 6 you substitute 6 minus 3, 3, 6 minus 7 minus 1. So minus 3. Substitute 8 minus 3, 5, 8 minus 7, 1. Observe the graph, the pausing point. 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 to the 12. If you put 1 minus 3, minus 2, and 1 minus 7, minus 6 to 6 to the 12. In the same way, we may get the, put here 1 also. You can get the value ascending and descending order. Take x-axis 1 to 9, all are quality. Y-axis maximum 12, minimum minus 3 also there. Minus 3 also there. 0, the values you can put 0, 5 to 12. Put here 5 approximately, put here 12 approximately. Draw here 1, 2, 3 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is no, negative is also there. Negative you put minus 3 here approximate and minus 4 here approximate. This is y axis, this is x axis. This is x dash, this is y dash. Take 1, put there 12, and take 2, you will be getting 5. Take 3, you get the value 0. Take 4, you will be getting minus 3. Take 5, you will be getting minus 4. And in the similar way, for 6 also minus 3. And for 7, it is 0. And for 8, it is 5. And for 9, it is 12. Draw like this. Put properly. Put properly. So, you can understand now the curve, this curve is parabola. This curve is parabola. Here the points of intersection of the two curves are 2 points, that is 3 and 7. Here 7. 3 and 7. You can draw in smooth way also. 3 and 7 are the points of intersection. There are 2 points of intersection. Whenever less than 0, this is negative. Whenever less than 0 is there, that less than 0, the negative value should lie between 3 and 7. This is the graphical method. Simply one example I said, you do the remaining sums as homework. Now, we can discuss about Example 1 you can do. From example 2 I say students. Example 2 page number example 2 3 4 5 6 I say students. Page number 87, example 2. Every example I said which are useful for objective. Example 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Page number 87 to 90. Let us discuss example 2. Find the center values of x for which the inequalities hold simultaneously. Simultaneous means one after another. So given you write given x square minus 3x minus 10 less than 0 comma 10x minus x square minus 16 greater than 0. One inequality for less than 0 and one equality for greater than 0. These sums are the model of the domain of the function concept. You can understand the interval concept. Closed interval, open interval like that. So you take this one, case 1 I am writing. Case 1. Case 1 x square minus 3x minus 10 less than 0. That implies x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 less than 0. That implies x taken common x minus 5 plus 2 taken common x minus 5 less than 0. This can be written as, students, you should try to understand that interval is always starts from small number. So minus 2 is small number, plus 5 is large number. Depends upon the formula x minus alpha and x minus beta less than 0. X belongs to alpha and beta. Here x belongs to minus 2 comma 5. This is the first inequality. Next we can say second inequality also we can decide here. 10x minus x square minus 16 greater than 0. Multiply with minus, you can get as x square minus 10x plus 16 less than 0. Similarly, changing both sides whenever you multiply with minus. Now, try to understand these factors are x square 2 and 8. X square minus 2x minus 8x plus 16 less than 0. X taken common, x minus 2 and minus 8 taken common, x minus 2 less than 0. That implies you can write as x minus 2 into x minus 8 less than 0. So x belongs to 2 comma 8. Now you can write common domain. This concept is common domain or common solution. Common domain or common solution. Draw a real line. Here put 0, everything negative is also there. Put here 0, here minus 1, minus 2, here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Right. First interval is indicating that a letter that x variable starts from minus 2. Of course, whenever open is there, minus 2 is not there and closes there 5. Second letter will indicate this is 2 and this is 8. So what is common? This is common. Yes, this is no need to write. Therefore, common domain solution or solution set you can write is equal to 2 less than x less than or equal to 5 because no, not equal. Or x belongs to open interval 2 comma 5. That's all. X belongs to open interval 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5 is the common domain of the given function. If you are thinking it is an expression, you can say common solution. If you are thinking this is a function, you can say it is common domain. Now, example 3. Before going to discuss example 3, we should use the formula. Of course, write the question first of all. Solve the inequation. Solve the inequation. Solve the inequation root of x plus 2 greater than root of 8 minus x square. Now, let us write the formula, and the concept depends upon this inequality. If root a greater than root b, then b greater than or equal to 0, because every square root is greater than or equal to 0. If it is 0, it is absolutely positive, because this is greater than number of the right side number, comma. Then you can write a greater than 0. Whenever a greater than 0, you can write, if this is greater than or equal to 0, you can write this is less than 0. Also, you can write if b less, no, root is 0, should not write, because root never becomes less than. Okay, keep it. Next, whenever squaring both sides, you can get it a square, a greater than b. That's all, a greater than b. So case 1 you can write. Case 1. Root a greater than root b concept. B greater than equal to 0, a greater than, that's all. Now let us write in case 1, root a b greater than equal to 0. 8 minus x square greater than equal to 0. Multiply with minus x square minus 8 less than or equal to 0. You can understand this one as x plus 2 root 2, x plus 2 root 2 into x minus 2 root 2 less than or equal to 0. X belongs to here open interval minus 2 root 2 comma 2. Open interval minus 2 root 2 comma 2. Next one, a greater than 0 you write. Also take here a greater than 0 concept, x plus 2 greater than 0, that's all. Then you can write x greater than minus 2. Now you can understand here x belongs to minus 2 comma infinity. Okay, like that. Leave it. Next, case 2. Case 2, a greater than b, squaring both sides you take x plus 2 greater than 8 minus x square. Minus x square taken inside, it becomes x square plus x minus 6 greater than 0. Next step, this becomes x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 greater than 0. X taken common, it becomes x plus 3. Minus 2 taken common, it becomes x plus 3 greater than 0. That implies x plus 3 into x minus 2 greater than 0. X does not belongs to, here you can write x does not belongs to closed interval minus 3 comma 2. That meaning x less than minus 3 comma x greater than 2, or x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 3 open union 2 comma infinity open interval. This is the domain or the valid function. Now we can use common domain concept using the all values. Common domain I am writing, or common solution. Common solution. Let us draw the real line. Negative is there and positive, negative minus 3. Start here minus 3 minus 2. Students, minus 2 root 2 is the root 2 value 1.414. So this is minus 2 root 2 you put. Because 2 into 1.44 becomes minus 2.8. Here minus 2 I am writing. Minus 1, 0 in the similar way 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Enough. Enough. Here first minus 2 root 2 comma 2 root 2, put a bracket here. 2 root 2. minus 2 root 2 comma 2 root 2, put a bracket like this. This is x dash, this is x. Now minus 2 comma infinity, this side to this side. Okay, next minus infinity comma minus 3, this gone away, no need. 2 comma infinity, this is like this is gone away, no need. So that's all. So this is a common, where it is opening and where it is closing. This is common solution. Common solution is equal to 2 comma 2 root 2 open integral, or you can write 2 less than x less than 2 root 2. 2 root 2, you can write this is closed integral. That is why put closed bracket for 2. For 2, minus 3 is there, does not mean no. So for 2 open integral, put here like this. 2 less than x less than or equal to 2 root 2 is the correct answer. Yes, we got 2 less than x less than or equal to 2 root is the common solution of the given equation. Now let us write fourth question. Solve the inequation. Solve the inequation root of x minus 3 into 2 minus x. Root of x minus 3 into 2 minus x. Less than root of 4x square plus 12x plus 11. Here root a less than root b constant. Let us write the formula. Root a less than root b constant. Root a less than root b. If family. If root a less than root b, you can understand root b. So whenever root this is less than, zero, you can understand a greater than or equal to 0 can be 100% greater than 0. There is no question of negativity. If every square root we know that greater than or equal to 0, if it is minimum 0, then it should be positive. That is the property. And by squaring on both sides also you can get a less than b. That's all. Now case 1, and separately we can understand this is separate less than or equal to 0, this is separate greater than 0. Like first you write case 1. Case 1, a greater than or equal to 0 we can put. So x minus 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 0. Multiply with minus, it becomes x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. X belongs to 2 comma 3 open interval we can write. Also, not only for this one also we can understand 4x square plus 12x. 4x square plus 12x plus 11, this should be greater than 0. Here, try to understand that coef of x square and expression having the same sign. Now you calculate delta for the b square minus 4ac. So 144 minus 4 for the 16 11s are 176. This is less than 0. So coef of the theory, whatever the theorem, important theorem I discussed with you, that is coef of x square comma expression. Coef of x square comma expression have same sign here. Have same sign. So when for all x belongs to R, there is no question of interval. For every real number it is right when delta less than 0. Here we got delta less than 0. So this is for real. So there is no common domain. Of course, whenever x belongs to 2, 3 and real number is so large values, plenty of values, infinite values you are having. In the infinite values, we have only one common domain, that is 2, 3. So 2, 3 is only the common domain for these two cases. Let us discuss about case 2. A less than B concept. A less than B concept. That implies x minus 3 into 2 minus x. X minus 3 into 2 minus x less than 4x square plus 12x plus 11. Multiply both sides. You can get 2x minus x square minus 6 plus 3x less than 4x square plus 12x plus 11 plus 11. That implies the terms taken this side we can write minus 5x square. Minus 5x square, this is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 12 minus 7x. Minus 5 square minus 7x minus 6 minus 11 minus 17 less than 0. Multiply with minus, it becomes 5x square plus 7x plus 17 greater than 0. Here also use the formula delta is equal to b square minus 4ac concept 20 into 17. This is less than 0. You can understand the coef of x square gamma expression have same sign. Coef of x square gamma expression have same sign. That is for all x belongs to R, it is true when delta less than 0. Therefore, common domain of open interval 3, 2, 3 and that is intersection real number, that is equal to only 2, 3. Or you can write 2 less than x less than 3. That's all. 2 less than x less than 3 is the common domain. Here he given 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Yes, whenever that is equal to 0 is there, then put here positive. I mean closing. Take here closing. So 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, you can understand. Now let us discuss about the example 5. It is somewhat typical question. Solve the equation root of 6 plus x minus x square by 2x plus 5. Fifth question. Solve the inequation. Solve the inequation root of 6 plus x minus x square by 2x plus 5 greater than or equal to root of 6 plus x minus x square by x plus 4. Much concept is there. Case 1. Let us write this one as 6 plus x minus x square taken common into 1 by 2x plus 5 minus 1 by x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Like this you can write. Here you can understand that this is positive into positive equal to positive concept. So 6 plus x minus x square. 6 plus x minus x square into taken the number like this, like LCM model. X plus 4 minus 2x minus 5 whole by 2x plus 5 into x plus 4. This is also greater than 0. That implies root of 6 plus x minus x square into, here x minus 2x becomes minus x and minus 1. Minus x minus 1 whole by 2x plus 5 into x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. That implies now multiply with minus. It becomes 6 plus x minus x square into x plus 1 whole by 2x plus 5 into x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. Now we can understand that the concept is every square root is greater than or equal to 0. So here we should get less than sigma. Whenever we should get less than sigma, here plus by minus or minus by plus concept. Plus by minus or minus by plus concept. Of course, this is positive, so it should be negative. So negative by this is positive. That's all. That is the case. Negative by positive only. Understand. Now to get, since I am writing, since root of 6 plus x minus x square greater than or equal to 0, therefore x plus 1 less than 0. X plus 1 less than 0. Also I am writing minus negative by positive concept rate is equal to negative. That implies denominator should not be equal to 0. That is why absolutely you should take denominator is positive whenever numerator is negative. 2x plus 5 into x plus 4 greater than 2. Because this is negative, this should be positive, negative with positive concept. Now for 6 plus x minus x square greater than equal to 0, you can write x square minus x less than equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 less than equal to 0. X taken common, x minus 3 plus 2 taken common, x minus 3 less than equal to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 3 less than equal to 0. You can write here x belongs to closed interval minus 2 comma 3. Skip a sign. Next, you put comma x plus 1 for validity. X plus 1 less than 0. So x less than minus x less than minus 1. X should be belongs to minus 2 comma 3 and there is no minus 1. Minus 1. So x belongs to, you can write minus infinity to minus 1 open interval. Okay, we can take comma. Later, you can understand here x belongs to, x does not belong to the concept 2x plus 5 into x plus 4 concept. X does not belong to closed interval minus 5 by 2 comma minus 4. So minus 4 is small number. You should write first of all minus 4 and minus 5 by 2. So x less than minus 4 comma x greater than minus 5 by 2. Draw a line properly. Minus 4 minus 3 like that you can take. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 by 2 is minus 2.5. Here minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 like that we write 1 2 3. That's all. This is x axis, this is x axis. You can take domain concept now. Depends upon real number, real line. Now first you take x belongs to closed interval minus 2 comma 3. Draw lines. X less than minus 2. So minus 1 to infinity. This is gone away. So no need. That's all. Next this one x less than minus 4. Gone away. No need. Now this is x greater than minus 5 by 2. So from here this is gone away. So what is the closing value? This is the closing value. Minus this is yes. Common solution I am writing. common solution is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. Single 3 is there. If you put 3, if there is any danger, there is no danger. If you put 3 here, it becomes 0. For 0 is a chance. Then you can write single 3. Common solution is there. Closed interval minus 2, comma open interval minus 1, union single 3. That's all. You given closed interval minus 2 and closed interval minus 1. Let us verify. Whenever minus 2, between minus 2 comma 3 minus 1 means the number is there. So according to here it is okay, but better to substitute the value minus 1 here. If there is any danger, don't substitute. What is the danger or not, we can adjust. If you put 1 x plus 1, it becomes 0. No problem. Numerator can becomes 0. 0 is equal to 0. So you simply keep a side, and of course x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Not less than. That is why here x belongs to this is closed. X belongs to minus 2 comma minus 1. This is closed. So put here closed bracket. That's all. So minus 2 comma minus 1 union single 3. That's all. This is the common solution or common domain of the given inequality. Now let us discuss about the sixth question. Solve the inequation root of x square minus 3x minus 10 greater than 8 minus x. Root of x square minus 3x minus 10 greater than 8 minus x. Here the concept of this is sum. Root a greater than b. There are two conditions. Two cases are there. Therefore, we know that every square root is greater than 0. Therefore, you can understand b greater than 0, then a greater than 0. You can put b greater than or equal to 0 also. Then a greater than 0. Next, if a is positive, a greater than 0, b, there is a chance to less than 0 also, because it is not in root. There is no chance, there is chance to be less than 0 also. Here you can put minus 2, this is 0, minus 2, 4, like that you can understand. Next, by squaring both sides also I am writing. By squaring both sides you can write this one a greater than b square. A greater than b square concept also. Now let us discuss about the sum in these all cases. Case 1. Case 1. X is a b greater than 0. This one you can take. This is case 1. Let us write b greater than 0. 8 minus x greater than 0. 8 greater than x or x less than 8. Whenever x less than 8, you can write x belongs to minus infinity comma 8 open interval. It's okay. B greater than or equal to 0. We thought b means here is equal to 0 input is equal to close. It's okay. Now a greater than 0 you take. That implies x square minus 3x minus 10 greater than 0. You can understand x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 greater than 0. X taken comma x minus 5. X taken comma you can write x minus 5 plus 2 into x minus 5 greater than 0. That implies x plus 2 you write first of all x plus 2 into x minus 5 greater than 0. Therefore, here x does not belongs to minus 2 comma 5 closed interval. Yeah. Therefore, that meaning x less than minus 2 comma x greater than 5 or x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2 union open interval. 5 comma infinity. This is the correct way. Case 1 completed. For case 1 we can write common domain here minus infinity comma minus 8 and minus 2 comma 5. Let us think later. Let us discuss here case 2. If there is a common domain needed for case 1, case 2 separately, we can understand later. Case 2, a greater than 0. A greater than 0 means, okay, already we got it. No need. X square minus 3x minus 10 greater than 0. We got in the same way. X belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2. No need to write 5 comma infinity. And a greater than b square concept. X square minus 3x minus 10 greater than 64 minus 16x plus x square. Here x square will be getting cancelled. 16 taken this side, it becomes 13x greater than 74. X greater than 74 by 13. Therefore, you can understand x belongs to open interval 74 by 13 comma infinity. 74 by 13 gives approximately 6 because 13 6 are 78. Approximately 5.5 like that. So now we can take common domain. Draw a real number. The real number started here minus infinity to 8, minus 2 5, minus 2 is minimum value. Put here minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 next you put 64, 74 by 13, comma 8. That's also all. This is x, this is negative x dash. First one is minus infinity comma 8. It is closed. Put here 8. Okay. Next one. X lesser than 8 we got. And another case is also we can write. A greater than 0 we thought friends. A greater than 0. So whenever this a less than 0 also we can write. A less than 0. A greater than 0, b less than also a greater than b square, a greater than 0. If a less than 0, it is positive. We can take another case also. Case 3, a less than 0. A less than 0, you write 8 minus x less than 0. X minus 8 greater than 0. X greater than 8. X belongs to 8 comma infinity. Because if it is a positive, there is a chance to negative also. A means here B. Yeah, this one. B less than 0 I thought. B less than 0 I thought, but I did not write here. Not A. B. This is A, this is B. Try to understand as this is the concept. B less than 0 I wrote, but I did not write the concept B less than 0 concept. 8 minus x less than 0. We did not take. So yes, this is not B less than 0 to take. So this is the chance 8 infinity like this. Going in this way. Now minus 2 comma 5 taking part. This is a there is a chance like this and there is a chance like this. Minus 2, stop it. Comma 5, stop it. And next one minus infinity comma minus 2 going, it's gone, no need. 5 comma infinity, it's gone, no need. So what is the value? 7 next 74 by 13 comma infinity. Put here like this 74 by 13 comma infinity. This is the common domain. That's all. Regarding to option, that's all. There is, sir, why you are not taking 8? You can ask the students. 8 for the 8 there are 2 chances. 8 comma infinity is there. Minus infinity comma 8 is there. There is no clear. That is why you should not consider this 8. No need. Therefore, common solution we can write. Common solution equal to closed, not closed. Here, greater than or equal to. If greater than is equal to is there, then you should put closed. If there is no greater than equal to, no need to put closed. It is open bracket 74 by 13 comma infinity. There is no clarity about it. That is, we should not write it. 74 by 13 comma infinity is the correct answer. Now let us going to discuss about the exercise 3C sums. Exercise 3C Roman number 1 2 sums I don't want to discuss with you to do the homework. And now exercise 3C Roman number 2 second 2 sums are there. Only those sums I say. Exercise 3C. Roman number 2, second one. Solve. This is answer bit. Solve root of 3x minus 8 less than minus 2. Students, this is an answer bit. This is logical thinking bit. We know that simply right. We know that every square root is greater than or equal to 0 but not negative. Every square root is greater than or equal to 0 but not negative. But here what given? Minus 2. There is no root or there is no x value less than minus 2. Hence, there is no solution. It is wrong. Simply to make us confused given. There is no solution. Or somebody used to say solution set is equal to 5. That's all. In this one, Roman number 2, second one, in second question, solve root of minus x square plus 6x minus 5. Root of minus x square plus 6x minus 5 greater than 8 minus 2x. 8 minus 2x. Already we have done this one. No, it is separated. This is separate. Root of minus x square plus 6x minus 5 greater than 8 minus 2x. We can understand here using the concept a greater than root a greater than b concept. Concept I am writing. Concept root a greater than b. So we know that every square root is greater than equal to 0, so you write a greater than equal to 0. A greater than equal to 0. Whenever a greater than equal to 0, b, yes, there is a chance to be less than 0 also. Yeah, take like this. And put here, this is 1, this is 2. Depends upon this one you can take. Next, a simply greater than 0 you take. Whenever a greater than 0, of course, a greater than or equal to 0 also you can take, but b greater than 0 it is correct. B greater than 0. Whenever b greater than 0, there is no chance to greater than or equal to 0. If b greater than equal to 0, you can take a greater than equal to 0. No, there is no chance because there is no equal. Put here. That's all. A greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Next, say third case, by squaring both sides, you can get a greater than b square. Depends upon all the three cases we can solve now. Let us write case 1. Case 1, a greater than 0 and b less than 0 we take minus x square plus 6x minus 5 greater than 0 comma 8 minus 2x less than 0 you put. Depends upon multiplication of minus x concept. X square minus 6x plus 5 less than 0. I am writing x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 less than 0. Taking x common, you can write x into x minus 5 and 1 common. 1 into x minus 5 less than 0. We can write this one as x minus 1 into x minus 5 less than 0. We know the formula x belongs to 1 comma 5. Here 8 minus 2x greater than 0 concept, 8 less than 2x or 4 less than x or x greater than 4. So x belongs to here you can write 4 comma infinity. Now case 1 completed, case 2. Case 2. A greater than 0 already over. B greater than 0 you take. 8 minus 2x greater than 0. So 4 greater than x. So x less than 4. There is no clarity. X belongs to minus infinity comma 4. So we should not consider about the 4. Later we can discuss. Now case 3. At last in previous we should not consider 4. A greater than b square concept we can take now. The concept here minus x square plus 6x minus 5 greater than 8 minus 2x whole square we can find. 8 minus 2x whole square. That implies minus x square plus 6x minus 5 greater than 64 minus 2 8 16 2 32x plus 4x square. 4x square vacant is said it becomes minus 5x square 6 this is 32 and it becomes 38x minus 69 greater than 0. Multiply with minus you will be getting 5x square minus 38x plus 69 less than 0. 5 69s are 5 45 4 5 34 34 depends upon this one splitting the middle term 5x square minus 5x minus 23x plus 69 less than 0. 5x taken common x minus 1 minus not 1 5 15 15 23s are 15 is 45 4 15 24 34 yes. 5x taken common it becomes 3 23 taken common it becomes x minus 3 less than 0. This is x minus 3. That implies we can understand now 5x minus 23 into x minus 3 less than 0. First of all, you should write x minus 3 because 23 by 5 23 by 5 becomes here. You can understand x belongs to 25 3 comma 23 by 5. Common domain now we can take. Common domain draw like this. Put here according to these options 1 2 3 everything is positive 1 2 3 4 5 there is no 5 23 by 5 yes 5 is also there. So don't forget about 4 the letter 1 comma 5 put here a mark and minus infinity comma 4 take this one and 4 comma infinity put here. You can understand don't forget about 4 because it is in conjugate 3 and 22. Better to put there 5 3 5s are 15 minus 8 is 7 root 7 is not this one. Whenever 5 is there it becomes 0 8 minus 2 into 5 minus 10 0 greater than minus it is correct. So 5 we can put. So depends upon that value common domain equal to 3 less than x less than 5. Let us verify the option. If you are having any doubt you can ask regarding this one. So 5 for 5 is greater than or equal to 0. A greater than or equal to 0 we can take case 1. That is why we can put here closed. Here you can put here closed. That's 3 less than x less than or equal to 5 is the correct option.